Welcome back. We've got favorite inside numbers betting system number 7 here. I personally don't believe in lucky numbers, but a lot of people, when they play roulette, they want to bet their lucky numbers, either the kids' birthdays or anniversaries, however people come up with them. Rather than betting those specific numbers, though, I'd encourage you to give this strategy a try because it will likely give you better results. I call it 5 quarters, and don't get ahead of me here. This is how it works. You're going to take 5 units, and we'll use the $5 chip as an example here. And you're going to spread it across the numbers covering corners on 5 different corner bets. And this is where you can bet your lucky numbers. If you have a specific number that you want, you can cover it along with 3 other numbers. It works well for this system. You got 20 numbers covered here, which is a little bit over half. Gives you a 52% chance of winning on your first roll or spin. If you win that first spin, it's going to return you 4 units, which is $20. If you do not win the first spin, then you're going to rebet, double it once and one time only, and you're going to spin again. And if you lose that one, then we're just going to start the system over. Don't go chasing the martingale system down the hole. There's only a 23% chance that you'll lose 2 times in a row. And for winning 4 units back, it's pretty good risk-reward situation to be in. So we got our 5 units down. Let's give it a spin, and we'll see what it looks like. So first spin's a win. So we're up $20. Stick with the same numbers, and we'll give it another spin, and that's a loss. So that's fine. You're going to rebet. You're going to double it so that there's $10 on every single of these 5 bets that we picked out. Give it a spin, and that's a win. So now we're back on track. Starting the system back over again. Pick out 5 random numbers, or 5 random corner bets, and keep it going. This system can keep you at the table for a good while. If you get a couple wins in a row, those winnings can stack up pretty quick, and that's fun to see. You can change the numbers every time, or you can stay with the same numbers every time. It doesn't make a difference really, but it keeps it more fun if you change it up. So for some people, I don't, maybe you enjoy keeping it the same numbers every time. It's totally up to you is all I'm saying. I actually bet $10 on each of those bets. So if $10 was your unit and you bet 5 of them, you're not going to exceed the table limits. If you double this will only take you to $100 for this bet. So it works if $10 is your unit as well. Let's try this. And that was a win. So whatever your unit is, it'll work just fine with this. I'm going to call it good at this point because that's $100 in winnings. It's a simple strategy. We got more complex ones coming up. So if that's what you're into, keep an eye out for those. But I think this is a great little strategy to keep you busy at the table, especially betting with some friends in the group. Keeps things exciting. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for checking out the video, everyone. Best of luck to you at your next visit to the casino, and take care of yourselves.